Today a customer came into the institute convinced that this beautiful green stone was just a piece of glass. Honestly, I don't blame him. Look at it. It's so clean inside, it really looks like glass. But I knew it wasn't. At first I couldn't see any inclusions, so I went up to 100 times, then 150 times magnification, and there they are, tiny shiny inclusions that look like dust at lower magnification, but sparkle like little diamonds when you get closer. That's already strong proof it's not glass. You can even see some delicate needle inclusions together with the crystals. Look at this, at 150 times magnification. This view is absolutely breathtaking. It looks like a masterwork of art. Like nature painted a microscopic masterpiece inside the stone. Every needle and crystal is perfectly suspended in time. It's pure magic. That's already strong proof it's not glass, because this kind of masterwork is impossible to find inside glass. But I wanted to be 100% sure. So I dropped back to 20 times and showed him this. Notice how the edges of the facets are doubled. That's called doubling, and only minerals with a crystalline structure can show this effect. Now watch this magic. I'm not touching the stone at all. I'm just rotating a polarizing filter. Watch what happens to the facet edges. They join together into one clean line, and then they split into two again, 1, 2, 1. This doubling effect that appears and disappears is something only a real crystal can do. Glass will never show you this. Now let's increase the magnification again, because now I want you to properly see a very typical clarity characteristic on the surface of a brittle stone. Look at this little chip on the edge. That curved, shell-like shape is called a conchoidal fracture, and it's very characteristic of peridot. So yes, this is definitely a real peridot, not glass.